Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to enable the memory feature in Claude on your desktop or browser. This allows Claude to learn your preferences, project details, and writing style across different conversations so you don't have to repeat yourself. To turn it on, navigate to the bottom left corner of the interface and click on your profile name. From the menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings window, look for the Capabilities tab on the sidebar. In this section, you will see a toggle for memory. You will see an option labeled Generate Memory from Chat History. Enabling this allows Claude to automatically synthesize key facts from your past chats, usually updating about once every 24 hours. If you're moving over from another AI, look for the Import Memory button in this same menu. Claude will provide a prompt for you to paste into ChatGPT or Gemini. Once you bring that data back, Claude will instantly know your established preferences. And that's it. With memory enabled, Claude becomes a much more personalized assistant for your long-term goals. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.